Okay, so in this video what we're going to do is add a short code to a page, and we'll just do this daily specials. We're going to use the inventory list shortcode. We've got two shortcodes. So this one is actually going to just display some vehicles on a page. You could use it in a post. There's a lot of use cases for it, but in this case what we're going to do is just create a daily specials page. So what I'm going to do, I'm already in the CarDealerPress plugin, and you can see I have an active feed. So what we're going to do is go to the shortcode page, and what you're going to see here is just all the parameters that are available. And just the basic parameter is inventory list. And then there's this other example underneath if you want to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by creating a page. So we're going to do add new page. I'm going to go to that tab, and then I'm going to call this page daily specials. And remember, you don't want to call it inventory because the dynamic inventory actually would reside there. So then I'm going to go to the text tab, and I'm going to paste in that inventory list. And then we'll go ahead and publish that. Okay. And then I'm going to view that page. And you'll notice I'm opening new tabs, just kind of the way I like to work with this kind of stuff. So now that I've done that, I've got this page. And you'll notice when I click on any of these, and once again I'm going to open a new tab, it actually takes you to the vehicle detail page of that vehicle. Okay. If I want to, I can actually change this to a full width page. And this is one of the nice things about using Genesis and Dynamic together, or just Genesis for that matter. That's more of a feature of that. I can choose the layout and go back to my page, and it'll get rid of this sidebar. Okay, so that's all gone. You'll notice this is all responsive right out of the gate. So if I scroll this down, I've got a responsive layout. It's going to work on mobile and tablet. And the default is to show 10 vehicles. Okay, so if I go back to my shortcode page, you're going to see there is a parameter here that is limit. Okay, so it's limit 10. Let's say I want to limit and I want to make it more than 10. So I would go back into my shortcode, and I would just type in limit equals, and let's do 20. Okay, and we update that. Go to the tab that has the inventory on it. We update here, and now I've got 20 vehicles. The other thing I can do is actually filter down to specific makes and models, right? So you'll notice at the bottom of this I've got a couple Kias and some Fords. So let's do make Ford and see what happens. I'm going to go back to my shortcode page, and I already know this, but it's just going to be make. Okay, and then I'm going to do make equals Ford. We're going to update. We're going to go to our live page, and we're going to refresh. So now I've got nothing but Fords. And now let's say I want to do model. Let's see what we've got going here. These are mostly escapes, but I could do the C-Max hybrid if I want, and we'll see how many we've got. Let's do model equals C. Actually, let me make sure I've got that right. Yeah, C-Max hybrid. Okay, and if I want, I can put quotes around this just in case, because there's a space there. Should work, but I just like to do that to make sure. And then I'm going to refresh. My guess is we're going to have a lot less. We only have one, right? So it will go up to 20, but we only have one in stock. So let's get rid of that. Okay, and let's look at some of the other things we can do. You can actually do a price range. So if you wanted to have a specials page with all the vehicles that are priced from $5,000 to $10,000, you could do that. If you wanted certified, you could do that. If you have tags, you can actually put your tagged vehicles. So you could be marking vehicles as special within the vehicle marketing system, and then go ahead and display it on the page based off of that tag. Again, you already did limit. The newspaper style is if there's a sidebar, or if you want to clear the styles and build your own CSS, you could do that as well. If you've got multiple dealers and what we call an automall, so we've taken 3 or 4 dealers or 10 dealers or 20 dealers and we've aggregated them all into one account and one ID, you can actually separate those here and have special pages or unique pages for a specific dealer within that account. So that's how you manage the shortcode of dealer listing within, inventory list within a page. And then of course you can just add that page to your menu if you want to, and you'd be set and ready to go. Actually, we need to update that, and we'll go back to our 20 cars. Okay, so enjoy using that. This works great for SEO and just good overall site usability. Have a great day.